Hello everyone, and I hope you're all as excited as I am for SharePoint Fest DC coming up this March 26th to 30th, 2018. My name is Vlad Catrinescu, and one of the workshops I have at SharePoint Fest DC is congratulations, you are now the SharePoint Online Admin. I wanted to make this quick video just to talk to you about what this workshop is about and hopefully to convince you to attend it. So, what is this workshop about and who is this workshop for? This workshop is for the on-premises admin. If we look at the life of an on-prem admin, you've managed servers, service applications, web apps, IIS, SQL, maintenance, upgrades, and everything. And the cool stuff is that after so many years of SharePoint, you finally mastered it. You know how to provision that pesky user profile service application. You know what to do when the search is down. You know how to upgrade SharePoint with your eyes closed. But all of a sudden, you get to work and your boss tells you, we're moving to the cloud. All that you mastered with SharePoint on-prem, you're not gonna provision another server, you're not gonna play with the service applications, you're not gonna upgrade SharePoint anymore. We're now going to Office 365. And then you look and you're like, wow, so many things there in Office 365. Which ones am I going to have to do as a SharePoint admin? How do I manage it all now that I don't have access to the server? And this is where this workshop comes in. This workshop is really aimed at helping you upgrade your skills from SharePoint on-prem to SharePoint Online. Whether you're a full-time administrator at a company or a consultant that will need to help organizations or train future SharePoint admins on how to manage SharePoint Online. You guys are actually quite lucky because Microsoft will be shipping the new SharePoint Online Admin Center starting February 1st to targeted release. So by the time we get in March, when SharePoint Fest DC is happening, you'll get to see the latest Admin Center and really learn the most up-to-date tools out there. It's now time to upgrade your skills from SharePoint on-premises to SharePoint Online as more and more companies are migrating to Office 365. This will not only increase your skills, but it will also help you have a lot more options, not be afraid of the cloud anymore, and really see all of the benefits and all of the things that are new SharePoint Online part of Office 365. That is it for this small video. Thank you very much for listening to it, and I really hope to see you in SharePoint Fest DC in March 2018.